Hi, I'm Richard Sklar.
And I'm Jason Sklar from Sklar Associates.
In this episode, we're talking about how taxes work when you're under a consumer proposal.
To see more videos about bankruptcy and consumer proposals in Toronto, click the subscribe button to get notified right away.
Taxes can be a pain at the best of times, but they're really stressful if you're in debt or thinking about filing a consumer proposal.
There are a lot of misconceptions about your taxes after you file for a consumer proposal, and some of the confusion comes from the fact that your taxes are treated differently in a consumer proposal than a bankruptcy.
Many clients come to Sklar Associates with questions about their taxes.
Do I have to give up my tax return when I'm under consumer proposal?
A licensed insolvency trustee can answer questions about consumer proposals, taxes, your assets, or even your credit rating.
One of the big pros of a consumer proposal is you get to keep your tax refund. If you file for bankruptcy, you give up your tax refund and any inheritance or increase in your income.
One of the reasons Sklar Associates encourages clients to consider a consumer proposal is that it protects future increases in income and assets like tax refunds.
That refund can help a lot. For example, it can be used for an emergency fund, or it can be used towards your consumer proposal, reducing the time it will take to complete the terms of repayment.
You have to file your taxes during a consumer proposal. If you don't, it can interrupt your agreement and possibly cause a default in the terms of your proposal, which may result in the annulment of your proposal.
In case of bankruptcy, a licensed insolvency trustee, like Sklar Associates, will have to file both a pre-bankruptcy return and a post-bankruptcy return.
In both bankruptcies and consumer proposals, any taxes you owe personally at the date of filing are included in the debts that will be discharged upon completion of the bankruptcy or consumer proposal.
A licensed insolvency trustee, like Sklar Associates, can answer your questions about taxes in a consumer proposal. You can give us a call or come in to see us.
Dealing with taxes and a consumer proposal at the same time might seem intimidating, but our team can help you through the process. To meet some of our team, click on the Associates video above.
For more information, check out the links below and click subscribe to get notified when we post videos about bankruptcy and consumer proposals.